Hello everybody. There's been a change to the handheld delivery app. The handheld delivery app now, if you actually load inventory on the app and you actually have pre-orders that are in the route, the app will actually the actual app will give you indications if you have extra ice or a shortage on ice, and also kind of identify which locations that you're not going to be able to do on the route if you do not have enough inventory. So here's how it works. So going inside here, you can see right here I've created three stops right here. Each one of these stops needs 100 small bags, 100 big bags. Okay, so that's 300 of each. So that's how much ice is needed to finish the orders on that route. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the delivery app, and I'm going to load exactly. I'm going to load 400 of each product, and then you're going to be able to see what happens on the delivery app. One moment, please. Okay, so here I am on the delivery app here, and you can see here that I've actually loaded 400 small bags and 400 big bags. And there's a summary of what I've loaded on the truck. Now, one thing that we've added here, as you add more inventory on any particular item, you're going to see different line items there if you happen to add different batch codes. That's if you're doing batch codes with your company. Okay, so truck 121 is already loaded up and ready to go. So now we can actually go into the route, and I'm going to select this route. Okay, so this route is started, so everyone knows how that works now. So now, if we look here, if we go back to the inventory button, you're going to see here that the total loaded on the truck was 400. There's a total of 300 ordered product needed for this route, and there's a surplus of 100. Now, if it goes into a shortage, you're going to see that it's going to drop. So now I'm going to go out. Let me go in and make a delivery on one of these stops, and you'll see what's going to happen with the inventory stream. So I'm just going to select this pre-order. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to go back to the route. All right, so you can see that stop is done. Now going back here on the inventory, you can see here that I've sold 100 of the orders. There's 200 remaining that are needed to complete these orders, and we still have a surplus of 100. Okay, so now what happens if we were to do another stop and they actually want more ice? So in this case right here, I'm actually going to edit this, and I'm going to say nope, they wanted 200. Okay, and I'll do the same thing on this one too. Now it doesn't matter which product that they're going to be short on. So I'm going to complete that delivery. Okay, so that's stop number 2 is done. Now I'll go back to the inventory. You can see here I have no extra ice left over. Okay, so now let's say I get a phone call and I have to jump off route and I do another stop. Now notice my last stop here, Friendly Mart, which let me do a quick refresh on this screen back here. This Friendly Mart stop still needs to be done, and based on what this is telling me, I still need that 100 to complete the orders. 100 of each for that complete that order. I have no extra ice in the truck, but let's say now I get a phone call, and I get a call from this, say, 100th Bomb Group. Make delivery, yes. Enter line items, add products, and let's just say, you know what, they wanted 50 big bags. So obviously this is going to put me in a deficit on ice. Okay, so I still have, if I go back in my routes here, I still have this route stop. But you're going to notice now that it's in pink. That is telling me right away that, hey, you're in a deficit. You do not have enough ice to complete this order. If I look at the inventory, you're going to see here that I actually have a shortage of 50 big bags. Okay, I need 100. But there's a shortage of 50. I'm not going to be able to complete that order. I have plenty of 7s. Okay, there's no extra, no shortage, no surplus, so I have exactly what I need for this one. But I'm actually 50 short of this one. So if you can imagine, if you actually have multiple stops in your route and all of a sudden you're overselling with the orders, you are going to see that you are going to be having a problem on your route, that you're actually running short on your route. Okay, so anyways, that is the new feature, and very soon here, the handheld is going to be forcing everybody to update to the most current delivery app. Okay, but this is the new feature that's out there right now. Okay, this is so everybody understands that if they do start seeing the change in their app, if their app updates, they're going to start seeing this change on the route. And I wanted to make sure that everyone understood what it means when a stop is showing up pink like this. It means that based on the inventory you loaded on the truck, there's not enough inventory to handle that stop, and probably should be reviewed. Okay, so if anybody has any questions on this feature, please let us know. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.